Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Venus from Heart's Desire by Venus, and today I'm going to give you a flip through of my latest design team project for Kelly's Crafts by Kelly. I'll link her store below. The kit I am using was the Herbalist Handbook. Cute kit, and I just thought, you know, with spring coming, this would be something fun to work with. So this is what I have created. It is a unique style. I decided that I wanted it contained because I'm, thinking you could use this out in your garden, because it is supposed to be a compendium kind of idea. So I'm just getting my ruler here. I'm going to measure this up for you. We are looking at 8 by 6.5 with almost a 2-inch spine on here. So I've got it wrapped with a burlap closure here, and I'm just going to give you a flip. You can see I've got it all wrapped and closed here with the cover. So the cover is made out of cork, fabric cork, and just going to undo the closure here and unwind it all. There we go. So the closure is a little different. And again, I wanted it to be contained so that if you were outside, you weren't going to get it all dirty or whatever. So I've put 2 grommets in here, and this is what the closure is, some twine that is jute twine that's attached there. I've stitched this cover on. You've got some fabric in here, pieces of leather. You've got some lace. You've got a specimen card, some button, and some silk trim. And then when you open it up, so this is the cover that goes over top of it. So it's a 2-part journal here. So on the first part here, and you can see I did lots of tabs with little dangles, which is another reason I have it in a wrapped over closure so that everything is contained. And these are parts from Kelly's kit here. Make sure I'm in screen. So you've got some field labels in here. You've got some botanical prints. There is a belly band here, and with a safety pin and some lace and some trim. You've got spots here to record your herbs, or actually anything that you're growing. Got a little specimen card here, journal tag card there, with another pocket on this page. These are also some tags. I'll put the link for this one below. These were collage tags that she had, which I have cut, layered, and embellished, but I will put that in the link below. And I did a little bit of stenciling and some stamping and stuff on there with some tabs. And those just go in the pocket there, and like you can see here, in there. Then I have got some book pages here from a nature book. You've got plenty of spots to put your leaves in. Here's another, better get a sample card here. There we go. So you've got another tuck spot here for some cards, and I've got these beautiful little embellishments here of pressed flowers. It's a part from a seed catalog, which I left so that you could put your own ideas in there. Some more of her kit. Got another little embellished page here with one of these cards with some of her labels. I left plenty of spaces for you to make notes about what you are growing in here. It's the other side of that book page. There you go. Lots of tabs there. Basically, I put a tab on every one of them. It's got the herbs on here. So like this is mandrake, so that you would be able to just flip open to the page. Another piece from a nature book. I'm just opening up here, and here's another collage spot. You can put a tuck in here as well. So there's actually in this 4 signatures. I think I counted over 100 pages. Excuse me. So I've got some more of those pages here. Another one of those spots. Here is a pocket. You could put whatever you wanted in here. In this one I put tea recipe on. More tabs. There are plenty of tabs. Is that a pocket? No, that's just a nature page with some collaging on there for you. And another part out of a nature book, a mushroom section. I tried to put a few of those in, as you can see. And then you've got a nice big spot here. You can put whatever you wanted on there. Another collage here with some rosemary, some cheesecloth, and the background part is from her kit as well. Oop. And you can see all of her pages. She's got, you know, you can put down the name, the keywords, part used, medicinal use, magical use, elements, growing things on here. So you really could use this book out in your garden however you want. So that is the first set of 2 signatures. So then I'm just going to move it along here, and we're going to open the second section here. And it's just a protective flap. I wanted to, like I said, I wanted to keep this so that you could use this without it all getting dirty. And we've got another collage page here. This is one of her cards out of there. What is it? This one is mallow. That's right. Layered up there. Make sure I'm in frame here. Perfect. So I left lots of journaling spots. Again, we've got lots of spots here for your referencing of your plants. I did a bit of collaging with some of her cards. She had little plates and little bigger plates. So I added those in here. Some more of the nature journal. You know, with some flowers and snakes and things that grow in your garden. Lots of tabs. And a little collage here with a little French greenhouse there. Lots of space in here. So, and then these are little tags that I've added here. Flips open, you've got a spot to journal. This one flips open. Got plenty of spot to put your journaling or your notes. And you could even have a picture or something down there for sure. And then the same thing for this one. It opens up, reveals a spot for some journaling or extra notes here. Another one of those book plates with some trim and everything and stitched on there. And I've left a lot of the strings open. I felt it just kind of added to the book here. Here's another book plate with a pocket in here for some more tags. And these were from her kit as well. Just added those in there. Another one of her book plates with a tab there. More gardening magazines here. More spots to record your stuff. Lots of tabs. Then another spot for writing down your notes. And this one here, this is just a little bit of collage on there. And this is a graph with a bit of a garden diagram on there, and you could make your own notes on the side for sure. More of these beautiful book plates. This is out of her kit as well. This background paper I thought was kind of nice with the pots on that. And these are acetate pressed flowers that I've adhered to the graph paper here. So there's lots of graph paper and spots in here. You know, I did a little bit of stamping on this one, but left it so that you could make your notes. I kind of just made this with the mind as a working compendium. Here's another one of those spots where the tags flip open. You've got your little hidden spot here for your notes. Put it back that way. And this one is a little slide pocket. I wasn't very prepared today, was I? So you can just tuck something in there as well. A little mouse and a toad from a nature book. Another one of her cards here on some graph paper. These are both, this is both from her kit here as well. It's one of the cover pages of the kit. Lots of little dangles for notes. Another graph paper with a garden diagram on there and some flat pressed greenery. Another belly band here with one of her cards, and then it's just a little envelope here with a journaling spot inside. Another gardener here with some more pressed flowers and collage on the side. More garden magazine clips, a little greenhouse and collages. And then your final page is your graph paper. And then it just simply folds all back up on itself, cover cinches over, and you just, oops, help if I move that out of the way. There. And just a simple closure here. You could trim that shorter if you wanted, but there you go. That is my latest design team project. This will be available on my Etsy store within the next day or two. Thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to check out Kelly's Crafts by Kelly on her Etsy store. She's got beautiful kits on there. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you know what I'm doing, when I'm doing it. And I will see you again soon. Have a great day.